guys, I'm back with another, I don't know what to say, another video. So today I will be doing my slime collection, part 1, yeah, still part 1. So yeah, let's get on started. I need to be really quickly on this one, because my phone, almost, it's gonna stop videoing, because so I have a bag right here. It's a lunch bag, and I'm gonna. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so weird. There's slime stuck in there. Oh no! I'm not gonna show you it. So I'm gonna go to Winners. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna go around. So first, it's like a lime slime. So it kind of rhymes the name of it. But it's has different color. It's not clear. It doesn't do anything. So I'm not gonna touch this one. So this is not part of my slime collection because it's really bad. And then I have this one, which is bad also, which I cannot poke or anything. Well, kind of poke. Then I have this. This has straws in it, like. So this is I love this. It smells so good. You guys smell it. Wow, it's super cool. I love it so much. Next time. Oh my gosh, I can't even say anything to this one. This is just smells like nail polish. Oh, yuck. But it's fluffy and it's great to play with. Try to play with it because this table oh my gosh. What did I just do? So this is called blueberry slime, lemon slime, lime slime. I don't know what this is called, but then I go on this one, which is the same thing as this one with straws, but not the colors. Oh my gosh! I feel. Oh my gosh! I feel so. Oh my gosh! I just want to cry. Just kidding. Why would I cry? So I'm gonna do this. Just open it. So it has a lot of things in it. I love it. And so has here, I'll show you one straw. So this is pink. And there's also yellow. So okay, so I do one more and we're done. Sorry I'm doing it really quickly, but next video I'll do calming down. But I have this. Oh my gosh, this is too pretty. Guys, look. Ow! Ooh, that should be my face fit. Okay, ready? Nah. I just say my own thing, so. Ooh, this is actually pretty good. I put it to bam. And just to let everybody know, I do have a kid's crop top. And I got it somewhere, I did not make it. And it's super cute. It's like girl's crop top. It goes all the way over here. It's like a jacket. When your hands up, it's gonna destroy your tummy. So I'm gonna pull it here. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this a big, bigger than me. a thumbs up, and I want this to get 1 million thumbs up. And also subscribe, turn on the notification. I don't know how to say that, but so let's end this video right here. Yeah. So yeah, that's all my slimes. I have not that much slime, but I'm just joking. So I don't even know what to say, but bye.